Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can manually import data into Xero, so let's get started. Manually importing data into Xero, such as bank statements, invoices, or contacts, is a straightforward process, but it requires preparation. First, you need to prepare the data in a CSV, separated values file format, and the best way to do this is by downloading Xero's official CSV template file. Keep the headings in this template exactly as they are and ensure the data in the required columns is correct, paying close attention to the date format, the amount format positive for income, negative for expenses, and essential columns like date and amount for bank statements. Once your file is ready, go to the Accounting or Business menu in Xero and choose the specific data type section you wish to import, such as bank accounts or invoices. Then click on the Import option or Manage Account Import a Statement. Upload your prepared CSV file, and finally, follow the on-screen steps to correctly map the fields and complete the import. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.